So what are the benefits of preparing and clearing the Google Cloud Professional Cloud Architect certification? Hello friends, I recently renewed my Google Cloud Professional Cloud Architect certification. The first time I had done in 2022 and I just renewed it. I have got a lot of requests from people on Google Cloud Professional Cloud Architect certification. So let us first try to understand what is a cloud architect. What does a cloud architect do? A cloud architect solves a problem statement for customers. And that problem statement consists of customers' business requirements, customers' technology requirements, keeping into account customers' constraints and limitations. A professional cloud architect has the necessary experience acumen to talk to business stakeholders, talk to technology stakeholders, and other stakeholders so that the scope of the problem statement can be understood. This is primarily what a cloud architect does. And once this information is gathered, then the cloud architects works towards defining a solution on cloud, keeping into account the customer's business requirements, technology requirements, their constraints and limitations. A professional cloud architect would architect, design, and deploy solutions on cloud once the problem statement of the customer is understood. The business requirements, the technology requirements, the constraints and limitations. These are some of the typical business requirements which a customer has when they plan to move on to cloud. They want to have a lower TCO, lower total cost of ownership. They want to have the systems highly available. They want to have business agility. They want to scale their business as per the demand. They want to have security so that their business performs without any security glitches. And they also want to tap onto the new business innovations happening on cloud. Similarly, some of the technology requirements, they complement the business drivers: security, agility, high availability, reliability, and innovations in technology. The professional cloud architect landscape spans various cloud architect roles. Some of these prominent cloud architect roles available are cloud solutions architect, cloud infrastructure architect, cloud applications architect, cloud DevOps architect, cloud security architect, cloud data architect, cloud networking architect, cloud migration specialist, and industry domain architect. There are various roles available into the professional cloud architect landscape. If you work towards preparing for the professional cloud architect exam, you will be open to apply for all the cloud architect roles we just saw. And if you prepare for the Google Cloud Professional Cloud Architect certification, which is a niche industry certification, you will have a plethora of cloud architect opportunities to apply for. How to prepare for Google's Professional Cloud Architect certification? Step number one, you must understand the exam objectives, which is given in the exam guide, which I have given in the link before. Thoroughly understand the exam objectives and the exam guide. Very, very important for you if you want to thoroughly understand the Google Cloud platform from complete perspective from the services, from the various architectural patterns, the reference architectures, blueprints, end to end, you must you must follow a hands-on course. And Google has got some free hands-on courses available. I have given the description in the link below. Please, it is always recommended to do hands-on for you to grasp the wide variety of services, to completely understand the breadth and depth of Google Cloud Platform. Official Google courses are available, and the best is, if you follow these courses, you will be given hands-on approach, and you'll also undergo the official Google Cloud documentation, which is also very good. If possible, if possible, try to reach out to someone who can be a mentor for you, a person who has been working as a professional cloud architect, a person who has been working, right, who has been designing, architecting solutions on cloud, deploying solutions on cloud. And if that person has deployed solutions architected on Google Cloud, better. If you have a mentor, you will be having a person whom you can approach for any kinds of guidance or any kinds of doubts you have. If possible, get a mentor. And then there are some mock exams which you can give. Many are available freely. So what are the benefits of preparing and clearing the Google Cloud Professional Cloud Architect certification? Number one is that you will have a solid understanding of the Google Cloud Platform in terms of depth and breadth. You will understand what kind of services Google Cloud Platform offers to customers, to partners. You will understand the various architectures, the various design patterns, right, which are available on Google Cloud Platform. You will understand how you can use cloud native services which are available on Google Cloud, which spans infrastructure, which spans database, which spans other services, and many more. So you will be having a deep understanding of Google Cloud Platform, and you will be also be exposed to the breadth of various services which the platform offers. Certification badge. To be called a Google Cloud Platform certified architect is a niche thing. When you get the certification badge, it shows that you have got certain kinds of expertise, certain kind of knowledge on Google Cloud Platform. You have undergone that process, you have done hands-on labs, and you have got expertise on various fronts on GCP. Career advancement. When you clear the Google Cloud Platform Architect certification, it will give a boost to your career. You will be adopting new skill sets, and based upon that, you will be able to provide the necessary services which a cloud architect gives based upon the customer's problem statement, and it will definitely, your career graph will grow. Then industry capability, and you will work towards becoming an industry expert in any form. You can be an expert in the security front, you can be an expert on the infrastructure front, you can be an expert in the DevOps front. I have highlighted the last part, which is trusted advisor. To be called a trusted advisor to customers and to partners on cloud is a big thing. When a customer has got any problem statement, they look upon you partners look upon you as a trusted advisor. So you will work towards becoming a trusted advisor when you work towards becoming a Google Professional Cloud Architect certified professional.